If you like a little kick to your creamy and luxurious dinner, then this recipe is for you. Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this Cajun pasta recipe is incredibly easy to make, but feels like a holiday dish. Andouille sausage is known for its bold, smoky, and spicy flavor profile. Because it's already pre-cooked, it helps in making this dish come together very quickly. You will want to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet and then saute the sausage until browned. Remove the sausage and set aside. Over the same heat, add the butter and onions, saute for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then add the red bell pepper strips. Continue sauteing for a few more minutes. A few tips about the process: don't be intimidated by those gorgeous brown bits on the bottom of the pan after browning the sausage. It's going to add a ton of flavor to the sauce. Also, and I cannot emphasize this enough, when starting this pasta, put the water on to boil first and then prepare all your ingredients. This is because the water takes the most time to come to a boil, and you will need everything measured and cut because the sauce moves quickly. Okay, back to the steps. Stir in the tomato paste to the veggies and add in the garlic and spices. Only saute for a minute, just long enough to bloom the spices, and then add in the chicken broth. The broth will help to deglaze the pan before adding in the heavy cream. At this point, you will want to reduce the heat to a medium-low, bring the sauce to a simmer, and cook for about 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. At this point, add in the browned sausage, lemon zest, lemon juice, grated cheese, reserved pasta water, and the al dente pasta. The good news? If you need a dinner that has a little less of a kick to it, check out the recipe post where I share tips on how to lower the heat level. For more recipes like this, and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.